Welcome to the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are connected to the Internet, collecting and sharing data. These smart devices range from everyday household items to sophisticated industrial machines. In this series, we will explore how IoT works and why it matters in our connected world. The Internet of Things is simply a network of physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity that allows them to exchange data over the Internet without human intervention. Think of it as giving everyday objects the ability to think, communicate, and make decisions. A smart thermostat that learns your temperature preferences, a fitness tracker that monitors your heart rate, or a connected refrigerator that alerts you when milk is running low. These are all examples of IoT devices in action. IoT devices are already part of your daily routine. Smart speakers like Alexa or Google Home respond to your voice commands. Wearable devices track your fitness and health metrics. Smart home systems control lighting and security. In healthcare, wearable monitors track patient vitals. In agriculture, soil sensors optimize crop watering. In manufacturing, machines predict maintenance needs before failures occur. IoT is transforming how we live, work, and interact with our environment. Every IoT system follows a simple cycle. First, sensors collect data from the physical world, like temperature, humidity, or motion. This data is sent through the Internet to a controller or processing unit, which analyzes the information and makes decisions. Finally, actuators execute actions based on those decisions, like turning on a fan or activating a pump. This sense, process, and act cycle repeats continuously, creating an intelligent, automated system. Sensors are the eyes and ears of IoT systems. They detect physical phenomena and convert them into electrical signals. A temperature sensor measures heat, a motion sensor detects movement, a light sensor measures brightness, and a humidity sensor measures moisture in the air. Some sensors detect proximity, pressure, sound, or even toxic gases. Without sensors, IoT devices would have no way to perceive their environment. Sensors are the starting point of every IoT application. Once sensors collect data, it travels to a controller or processing unit. This is the brain of the IoT system. The controller receives the sensor data, processes it, applies decision logic, and determines what action should be taken. Controllers can be microcontrollers like Arduino, single-board computers like Raspberry Pi, or cloud servers processing data from thousands of devices. The processing can be as simple as checking if a temperature is too high, or as complex as machine learning algorithms analyzing patterns. Actuators are the muscles of IoT systems. They perform physical actions based on decisions made by controllers. A motor actuator can move or rotate objects. A solenoid can lock or unlock doors. A relay can switch electrical circuits on or off. A pump can move liquids. A heating element can generate warmth. Without actuators, the system could only observe and report. Actuators translate digital decisions into real-world actions, completing the IoT cycle. When a controller decides an action is needed, it sends signals to actuators. For example, if a room temperature drops below the set point, the controller signals the heating actuator to turn on. If motion is detected in a dark area, the controller activates the light actuator. If a water tank is full, the controller stops the filling pump actuator. This automatic response happens without requiring human input. The faster and more accurate the actuator responds, the better the system performs. IoT devices communicate through various wireless technologies. Wi-Fi provides high-speed internet connectivity in homes and offices. Bluetooth works over short distances, perfect for wearables and personal devices. Cellular networks like 4G and 5G enable devices to communicate anywhere with coverage. Zigbee and Z-Wave are low-power options for smart homes. LoRaWAN and NB-IoT connect devices across wide areas with minimal power consumption. The right communication technology depends on the range, power requirements, and bandwidth needs of the application. A complete IoT system integrates sensors, controllers, and actuators in a continuous cycle. Sensors detect changes in the environment. Controllers process this information and apply logic. Actuators respond by taking actions. This loop repeats constantly, enabling automation and intelligence. In smart homes, temperature sensors trigger heating systems. In agriculture, soil moisture sensors activate irrigation pumps. In healthcare, heart rate sensors alert medical staff to abnormalities. In cars, distance sensors activate braking systems. IoT creates responsive, intelligent systems that improve efficiency, safety, and convenience in virtually every aspect of modern life.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.